Okay, Fast Eddie here, and it's day after the storm. I'm walking in the snow, and the fools, and you know what fools you are, said it wasn't going to snow. Fast Eddie 6 days ago said it was. Fast Eddie even said 10 plus inches. So let's see what we got. That says 12 right there. Let's see it on spot, because I don't want to mislead people. Wow. That's like, I don't know, a 4-foot snowdrift. Don't tell anybody. Okay, we're going out of snow. That says 15 inches. Can you see that? That's like 15 inches. 15 inches in Jarrettville. Fast Eddie's house. Let's see another spot, because I don't want to mislead people again. Okay, that's 13 inches. So if I say 14 inches we got here in Jarrettville, that's probably a safe bet. Trees look pretty cool, don't you think? Yeah, I thought you did. But that's all I gotta say. And like I said, the fools that told me it wasn't gonna snow, it's too warm to snow. The fools that told me the brother or the mother of a sister of my best friend's a meteorologist said it wasn't gonna snow. And the best one yet is because my leg hurts. That's why it wasn't going to snow. I told you guys 6 days ago it was going to snow. Next time, you believe Fast Eddie. Especially if you were on I-83 when they shut it down. Just think about it next time. Fast Eddie out. By the way, you can still call me Weather King.